Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BIEL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see, and especially in this case makes mapping out a very logical question. It's quite straightforward, and that question revolves around the fact that the price has continued to make good solid movement in the upwards direction. When you think that not that long ago the price was down here and now all of a sudden it's managed to close up here, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the bulls have definitely made a very nice move over the past couple of days. But now that brings about the logical question of, but is there some true power behind this price movement, or is this just kind of one of these knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type moves? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single key area, and that area is right here at the very famous 200 period simple moving average, which on my chart is being denoted by the pink line right there. And you know, even if you have a surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period, and you know that when the price is up above it, you want to see the price stay above it. But especially in this case, so why is this so important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, keep in mind the pink line there. If the price were to break below there, or worse yet, let's say separate to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range where it was when it was, flirting with these lows. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, finds some support right around here in general, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have that set of lows right there. You'd have this set down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have overall stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this case, make progress I'm defining as staying up above, again, that pink line, the 200 period moving average. As far as levels of resistance, nothing here has changed from previous videos I've done. I marked out 0035 as resistance in a previous video, and you can see that played out today. So the bulls did struggle to get up through there. By no means am I saying it's impossible to break through 0035. Pointing out that, yeah, apparently the bulls really are going to need to bring their A game to not only fight above that level, but then also be able to stay up above it. All in all, though, the price movement continues to work its way upwards. So let's see if the bulls can, break through, 0035 or not next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.